This is clove water. I have left it for an overnight. I did it the other day and then I left it. This is my usual routine that I normally do. And I love taking clove water at least once in a while, or maybe at least thrice per week. And you might be wondering, why am I even taking this clove water? This clove water has actually a lot of benefits. But before that, let me tell you how you can actually achieve this amazing drink and start using it, because it's gonna change your life, impact your health. And what you're gonna need is actually pure cloves, or maybe cloves that are actually dry. You're gonna make sure that you are actually cleaning them thoroughly. Okay, just take, I'm going to demonstrate because I already done, or I already have the water overnight, but I'm going to show you how I normally do it. So the very first thing is to make sure that I'm cleaning them very well. And actually they are super tiny, so you must be very careful when you are actually cleaning them. Okay, once you clean them with water, just to remove if there is any dirt or any medicine, or maybe if there is any stones inside. Okay, because they are tiny and they normally come with a lot of things. Now strain it, and then what you're gonna do, you want to have a glass that you can actually leave it, so that you are adding in water and then just let it be. Okay, at least for 8 hours or an overnight. Now if you don't want to do the whole process of overnight, you can still boil it for a few minutes, but don't overdo it, just to make sure that you are not overheating it. Okay, so this is the one that I already done the overnight. It's gonna change the color once you actually leave it for a night or an overnight, and then enjoy, or maybe sip a few glass each and every time you wish to actually boost your health. Now for today, because this video was about how I'm going to incorporate on my hair, and also I'm doing a routine for actually trimming my hair. For almost, I have been having my hair for almost a year, not even a year, yeah, at least a year. I haven't trimmed it, so I want to trim. But before that, I want to actually incorporate with clove water, because it is so useful for my health, or maybe for my hair growth. So as you can see, I'm doing just a simple routine whereby I'm actually like massaging my scalp using my the clove water that I had prepared previously. And my hair, previously I had already washed it. I'm a 4C girl and I love my natural 4C hair, and I try all means to make sure that I'm having it easy to handle. I'm not straightening my hair. This is just my natural hair, and I love the way it is strong and healthy, even if it is not super long, but I still feel comfortable wearing my hair, and anything to do with my hair, I'm in for it. So let me tell you some of the things, or some of the benefits of clove water. Might be wondering, why am I using clove water? I'm going to be telling you some of the remarkable benefits of clove water. Clove water derived from boiling cloves, or maybe leaving it actually overnight, is a potent natural remedy celebrated by its numerous health benefits, and has positive effects on your hair growth. And that's why I'm going to be using it to actually use on my hair, especially during this time that I'm trimming my hair. Now let me tell you, clove water, or cloves, are actually rich in antioxidants, particularly when you actually leave it overnight, or when you stimulate it, which actually helps you to combat oxidative stress and also inflammation, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis and also digestive issues. Actually, it has also maybe its antimicrobial properties that actually support immune function and can help you prevent infections. In addition to its health benefits, clove water is effective for skincare. You can actually drink this water just the same way I'm drinking it, and it's gonna help you in many ways. It can treat acne, improve skin tone, and provide anti-aging effects, or maybe properties that are actually by promoting collagen production. Now, let me tell you how, or maybe why I'm using on my hair. For hair health, clove water nourishes the scalp, stimulates blood circulation, and also may reduce hair loss, contributing to stronger, healthier hair. Now, to prepare the clove water, you have seen it like I have done it. It is very simple to do it. Either way, you can try to boil it if you don't have time to actually leave it for an overnight, but maximum you can leave it for 8 hours. Just clean it very thoroughly. Okay, now you strain it and then store it in the fridge if you want. It can actually be consumed or actually applied physically. While generally safe, users should be cautioned, or maybe, like I always say, this is not something that you should like. I'm giving my own experience and I'm not a professional advisor. You should seek medical advice if you have any side effect, or maybe if you have sensitive skin. Now, incorporating clove water into your daily routine can enhance overall health, promote a radiant complexion, and support hair growth, making it a valuable addition to any wellness regime. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you more with more remedies, more stuff, especially when it comes to your hair, when it comes to your health and overall well-being. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.